Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Pressure washers are extremely efficient cleaning tools, and electric options are a convenient, fume-free alternative to gas-powered models. They're not as powerful, but their lightweight and quieter operation make electric pressure washers perfectly suited to handle light to medium cleaning tasks. They're also a great choice for homeowners who don't need the raw power that gas models offer. Most electric pressure washers use corded electricity. You simply plug them into your home's existing power supply. They also start with the push of a button. Battery-powered models are now available as well, perfect for those who want to maintain the portability of a gas-powered machine. Our team research and best advice of experts, we have select 3 best electric pressure washer in 2023 for you. The link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. Karcher K5 Premium.
Outstanding performance. Complete with a patented water-cooled induction motor and non-corrosive NCOR pump, the K5 lasts 5x longer than universal motors and delivers exceptional cleaning power for most cleaning jobs. The Karcher Promise Cleaner. Quicker. With a powerful 2000 psi/1.2 GPM motor, the K5 Premium is perfect for cleaning concrete, pavement, driveways, patios, decks, sidewalks, RVs, cars, boats, homes, fencing, and more. The pressure can be adjusted by simply twisting the VPS1 for effective and surface-friendly cleaning. Feature-rich and built to last, this high-performance pressure washer will keep your home and vehicle spotless.
Number 2. Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer.
Powerful cleaning. The electric pressure washer has 1700 max psi asterisk and 1.2 GPM asterisk asterisk amps, 13 amp. Added benefit. The pressure washer gun comes with a soap applicator bottle for cleaning with soap. Storage organization. Onboard nozzle, pressure washer hose, cord, and wand storage keep accessories organized. Long-lasting performance. 20 feet kink-resistant hose eliminates hassle and provides long-lasting performance. Extended reach. 35 feet power cord for range from your outlet. Cleaning Equipment Trade Association (CETA) certified.
Number 1. Sunjoe SPX 3000.
14.5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 psi at initial discharge per CSA internal pressure testing and 1.76 GPM, with nozzle open at minimum pressure of water flow, water inlet pressure, max 0.7 MPa. Tackle a variety of cleaning tasks: homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. With two 0.9L onboard detergent tanks, removable tanks carry and store different types of detergent to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects. Automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. At initial discharge per CSA internal pressure testing. Max GPM with nozzle open at minimum pressure.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.